Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nik Aisyah Syafiqah. Let's meet our teammates. First, we have Ashri, Darshini, Ishwari and Arisha. In this video, I will be present about company that we choose, which is PETRONAS. PETRONAS is the Malaysian National Oil and Gas Corporation, which is established in 1974. PETRONAS is fully owned by the government. Its main job is to manage Malaysian petroleum resources responsibility, develop the industry and create long-term value for the country. Since its beginning, PETRONAS has grown into a major, fully integrated global energy company. Now, let's look briefly at the data. Firstly, the company's human capital. The size of PETRONAS workforce has seen major changes. For example, between 2015 and 2020, the workforce dropped from 53,000 to 47,000. This was mainly due to a restructuring program called Coral 2.0, which aimed to cut costs and make operation leaner and more efficient. More recently, from 2019 to 2023, headcount decreased again, largely due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing need for new skills to support the energy transitions, especially with the launch of Malaysian National Energy Transition Roadmap, NETR. Secondly, the net profit data show PETRONAS' performance is closely linked to global oil price. We can see a few major points here. The profit dropped sharply between 2014 and 2016 due to the global oil price collapse. It hit a record low in 2020 because of the massive disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. However, it saw a huge rebound and recorded all-time high earnings in 2021 and 2022, driven by the high oil and gas prices caused by the global market recovery and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Finally, profits returns to a more sustainable level in 2023 and 2024 as energy prices stabilize globally. We can see PETRONAS is an essential global energy partner that balances commercial success, national duty and a major shift towards sustainable energy future.
Good day everyone, great to be here. I'm Darshini Ravindran and today I will be presenting the overview of PETRONAS' total asset performance over the past decade, along with the projection for its workforce, net profit and future growth asset. To begin, PETRONAS' asset base has shown a generally upward trend from year 2014 to 2024. Asset rose strongly from year 2014 to year 2016, largely driven by major capital projects such as Pengerang Integrated Complex. Although oil prices dropped in year 2015, PETRONAS maintained the growth throughout the effective cost management and strategic investment. Between 2017 and 2019, asset growth continued, but at a slower rate due to the market uncertainty and asset revaluation. Meanwhile, in year 2020, as the COVID-19 pandemic severely affected the global oil and gas industry, PETRONAS recorded impairment and lower demand that caused total asset of fall below pre-pandemic levels. However, in year 2021 and 2022, the company quickly recovered, the energy prices rebounded. Profitability improved and the asset value increased by about 12% due to higher cash flow and the revaluation of previously impaired assets. By year 2023, assets continued to rise, supported ongoing capex and favorable market conditions. In 2024, however, assets dipped slightly due to lower earnings, reduced investment and the sales subsidiary. Looking ahead, PETRONAS' workforce is expected to shrink by 10% in the next 5 years due to restructure and temporary hiring freeze. Despite this, the company will continue investing the specialized talent for digitalizations and low-carbon initiatives. Over the long term, the workforce will stabilize as new roles emerge in renewable hydrogen and carbon capture technologies. In terms of profitability, Petronas is projected to see steady growth. Net profit is expected to increase from 60 billion in year 2025 to approximately 71 billion by year 2030 and potentially reaching Ringgit Malaysia of 103 billion by year 2039. Finally, Petronas assets are forecasted to grow moderately by 2% to 4% annually and 3% to 5% over the long term, driven by the selective capex, LNG expansion, and increasing investment in low-carbon energy. In conclusion, Petronas has demonstrated resilience and strong financial performance over the past decade. With the ongoing transformation, strategic investment, and commitment to the energy transition, the company is well positioned for the long-term growth and sustainability. Thank you.